You can't learn in school what the world is going to do next year. Thinking is the hardest work there is, which is probably the reason so few engage in it. The greatest thing in life is to keep your mind young. My best friend is the one who brings out the best in me. A business that makes nothing but money is a poor business. A business absolutely devoted to service will have only one worry about profits. They will be embarrassingly large. A market is never saturated with a good product, but it is very quickly saturated with a bad one. Employers only handle the money. It is the customer who pays the wages. Quality means doing it right when no one is looking. The unhappiest man on earth is the one who has nothing to do. Time and money spent in helping men to do more for themselves is far better than mere giving. Money is like an arm or leg, use it or lose it. If money is your hope for independence, you will never have it. The only real security that a man will have in this world is a reserve of knowledge, experience, and ability. Any man can learn anything he will, but no man can teach except to those who want to learn. The only real mistake is the one from which we learn nothing. Coming together is a beginning, staying together is progress, and working together is success. Whether you think you can, or you think you can't, you're right. 2% of the people think, 3% think they think, and 95% would rather die than think. An idealist is a person who helps other people to be prosperous. History is more or less bunk. You can't build a reputation on what you are going to do. Nothing is particularly hard if you divide it into small jobs. If I had asked people what they wanted, they would have said faster horses. Don't find fault, find a remedy. Anybody can complain. Obstacles are those frightful things you see when you take your eyes off your goal. There is no disgrace in honest failure. There is disgrace in fearing to fail. As we advance in life, we learn the limits of our abilities. Before everything else, getting ready is the secret of success. Business is never so healthy as when, like a chicken, it must do a certain amount of scratching around for what it gets. Exercise is bunk. If you are healthy, you don't need it. If you are sick, you should not take it. Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. It has been my observation that most people get ahead during the time that others waste. Capital punishment is as fundamentally wrong as a cure for crime as charity is wrong as a cure for poverty. Even a mistake may turn out to be the one thing necessary to a worthwhile achievement.
Take good care of yourself and also of this channel of yourself. God bless you.